In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 2FA on Podia. By the end, you'll have stronger protection on sign-ins, using Podia's built-in security verification, so only authorized users can access accounts. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Podia dashboard with an account that has permission to change settings. This walkthrough uses Podia's own wording, so what you see on your screen should closely match what I describe. If your interface looks a little different, it's usually because of an update or your plan level, but the steps remain the same. Let's start inside the Podia dashboard. Look for the main navigation and head into Settings. This is where Podia centralizes account-wide controls. Once you're in Settings, open the Security section. Think of this area as your control panel for sign-in protection and account safety. If you ever need to revisit these preferences, this is where you'll come back. Inside Security, locate the option labeled Security Verification or the 2FA option. Podia may present this slightly differently depending on updates, but it refers to the feature that verifies identity during login. Select Edit to open its detailed controls. This is where you'll turn on the verification requirement. In the panel that appears, check the box that says Verify Customer Email on Login. What this does is add a quick verification step whenever someone signs in, confirming they have access to the email address associated with the account. It's a lightweight form of two-factor protection that significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, especially if a password is ever guessed or compromised. By requiring email access, you're asking for something the user knows, their password, and something they have, their inbox, before letting them in. Once the box is checked, click Save. That's the essential part. Saving commits the change and activates verification for future logins. If Save isn't clickable, make sure the box stayed checked and that your session hasn't timed out. After saving, Podia will apply the verification step going forward. You don't need to set anything else up or install a separate app. A few notes to keep things smooth. If you don't see the security verification option, double-check that you're in the Security tab of Settings and that you have the right permissions. Also, keep your account password strong and unique. 2FA complements a good password, it doesn't replace it. And let your team or customers know they may be prompted to confirm their email at login, so there are no surprises. That's it. You've enabled 2FA-style email verification on Podia, adding a simple, effective layer of protection to your logins.